Welcome friends, I made so many videos on graphic design. I said in every video that don't copy the same. Only consider my work as an inspiration. But today I recommend copy this video as it is. So without further delay, let's start the video. From my past experience, I learned until your basic design is not completed, your design will not look like professional design. To complete basic design, I make a list of 7 tips and tricks. In first part of video, I'll share 3 tips. So first point is, use only 2 fonts. When you start designing, whether you are beginner or you are at advanced level and your design does not look like professional, then start making design only with 2 fonts. I observe 90% designers generally use more than 2 fonts in one design, and they use very strange fonts. They make title with one font and use another font for paragraph and one more font for description. Means they use different fonts for everything, due to which your design does not give that professional effect. So use only 2 fonts. My favorite fonts are Gotham and Helvetica. Start with these fonts. Use these fonts to make designs. Once you understand fonts and use of font and value of font, then in future it is too easy for you to make design or graphic, because now you know how to use font. So first point is understand the value of font. Second tip is rule of third. Maybe you already know about this rule. This rule is started from painting. After some time, this rule is implemented in photography. In graphics, use of this rule is very amazing. This rule is very simple. What you have to do is just divide your poster or picture into 9 blocks. To divide in 9 blocks, just draw 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. There are 4 intersection points. Try to place your subject or text on these intersection points. Your design will automatically look attractive. It's a very amazing tip. Implement it. You will also feel the improvement in your design. My 90% problem is always solved here just because of this rule, because now I know where I have to place my text and subject. Third tip is photography and color block. Click a picture from camera. It doesn't matter whether you have a DSLR camera or a mobile camera. Just click a picture and drag it in Photoshop. Place the picture at right hand side and make a block at the left hand side. You have to write some text about this picture on this block. Write anything about this picture. One heading and a small description. It doesn't matter what you write, just try to understand color combination or font. When you do this practice with 9 or 10 pictures, you will understand which color matches with pictures and which doesn't. This trick makes the poster professional. You will also learn how to make pair of fonts and picture and how to match the block color with the picture. I will share 4 more tips in part 2 of this series. Start following these 3 tips. How much time you will take to follow these tips, it depends upon you. Lesser the time you take to follow these tips, sooner you will become pro designer. These tips work in reality and practical tips. So if you learn something new from this video, please comment below. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in comment section as well as on Instagram. Please support me by just pressing the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.